Hello dear students, I am your Deepa ma'am, class teacher of UKG. Today in this video I am going to teach you EVS. God has made this beautiful flying creature named bird, which is beautiful, colorful, and it is kept as a pet also. As you all already know that they can fly. How do they fly? They fly with the help of their wings, which is covered with feathers. Children, today we will learn about birds from your Picture Planet book. All of you open page number 12. Parrot. Parrot. Parrot means tota. The parrot is a small pet bird. The parrot is green colored bird with a red beak and red band around its neck. Parrots can imitate the voice of human beings. Do you know, children? The parrot likes to eat fruits, rice, grains, chilies, etc. Parrots can fly very fast. Cuckoo. Cuckoo. Cuckoo means koel. A cuckoo is as black as a crow, but it is slightly shorter in size. They are also called kokila. Its name was taken from the sound of its call. Their red eyes make them special. Crow. Crow means kawa. Crows are commonly found birds and they are black in color. It has black feathers and a heavy straight bill. Bill means beak, chonch. The crow builds its nest on tall trees. It is an extremely intelligent bird. It has very harsh voice. Eagle. Eagle. Eagle means barge. The bird flies high. Its eyesight is very powerful and we call it as a hunter bird. Duck. Duck. Duck means buttock. Ducks are semi-aquatic birds. They have short neck, waterproof feathers and a stout body. Ducks are great swimmers. They are water-loving birds and found near ponds, lakes and rivers. It is found in different colors like golden and white, etc. Pigeon. Pigeon. Pigeon means kabutar. The pigeon is a beautiful and lovely bird. It is very common and well-known pet bird in the world. Pigeons are found in grey, brown and white colors. They eat seeds, fruits, green leaves, shoot and insects also. Pigeons live in groups and move around in flocks. They can easily go up to miles and come back to the same places. Vulture. Vulture. Vulture means gidh. There are 23 species of vultures. Vultures have excellent senses of sight and smell. Vultures are nature's garbage men because they eat animals that have died in the wild. Peacock. Peacock means more. The peacock is one of the most beautiful birds on the earth. The peacock is our national bird. Peacock cannot fly very high and it is not a sky flying bird. It has beautiful crest on its head which adds to its beauty. Peacocks have a long tail which consists of lots of beautiful feathers. Hoopoe. Hoopoe. Hoopoe means hudhud. The hoopoe is named after its call, which is oop oop, oop oop. The hoopoe is the national bird of Israel. Now, what is Israel, children? Do you know what is this Israel? Israel is the name of a country. Like you, me, and we all live in India, that is our country. Like that only, Israel is a country. Okay? And we call that country's name in Hindi Israel. And the hoopoe is the national bird of Israel. Hoopoes don't make a typical nest. The hoopoe's beak is its most important tool. S-W-A-N, swan. Swan means Hans. The swan is a large white bird. It is the most beautiful water bird. It has a slender and graceful neck. It has an orange beak. H-E-N, hen. Hen means murgi. This is also a pet bird. It cannot fly high and it gives us eggs. Hen is brown or black or white in color. O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. Ostrich means Shuturmurg. The ostrich is the largest, heaviest and flightless bird. Now, what is the meaning of flightless? Flightless means, children, they cannot fly. Ostriches cannot fly. Ostriches run very fast. They can run very fast, children. It has long legs, a long neck, and a big round body with small wings. All of you open page number 13. Children, you will get an exercise on this page. So let's start. Look at the pictures of the birds. Match them with their shadows. Now children, two columns are here. In one column you will get these pictures, and in another column you will get shadows of these pictures. So you have to match the picture with its shadow only. With its shadow you have to match this picture. So how you will do this? Now see properly and now do it. Which bird is this? This is peacock. So let's find peacock's shadow. Peacock's shadow is given over here. So we will match that peacock's picture with this shadow. So we will match this like this. Now what is this? This is parrot. So parrot's picture we will find out, and then we will find out that picture's shadow also, and we will match that like this. Now this is hen, and hen's shadow is here. So you will match this here like this. Then this is ostrich. So ostrich's shadow is here. Now you will match this picture's shadow like this. Now next is eagle. Last picture in this column which is given over here, that is eagle's picture, and its shadow is given over here. We will match this picture's shadow with the pencil and ruler like this. Eagle's shadow is this, and we have matched it. Okay. Now your second and last work on this page is paste the sticker of your national bird. Which is our national bird, children? Yes, peacock is our national bird. So you have to take out that picture of peacock, sticker of peacock from the sticker sheet, and then you have to paste it here. Okay? Do this work very nicely and neatly. Children, first of all you will write date on the left side corner, then you will write heading BIRDS, birds, then you will mention CW. Okay, after this write a small one and then we will write the spelling. Which is the first spelling? CROW, crow. Second will be duck, DUCK, duck. Third spelling will be, children, swan, SWAN, swan. Now fourth spelling will be hen, HEN, hen. Fifth spelling will be, children, which you will write eagle. First you will make E, then with that E you will make AGLE, eagle. Now sixth spelling, make a small 6, make dash and then write cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. Now next spelling which you will write, that is pigeon, P. First you will make P, then write IGEON, pigeon. On 8 number we will write parrot. What is the spelling of parrot? Yes, PARROT, parrot. Okay. On 9 number we will write here ostrich. So you all will make OSTRICH, ostrich. Okay. At last, on the 10th number we will write peacock. The spelling of peacock is PEACOCK, peacock. Let's revise all the spellings. So on the first number you will write crow, CROW, crow. Second number DUCK, duck. Third number SWAN, swan. Children, you all will make these numbers very small in the between lines. Okay. On fourth number HEN, hen. On the fifth number you will write EAGLE, eagle. On the sixth number here CUCKOO, cuckoo. Seventh PIGEON, pigeon. Eighth PARROT, parrot. Ninth OSTRICH, ostrich. And last, on the 10th number, PEACOCK, peacock. You will do this work very neatly and nicely.